Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the tabs, the custom tabs block that we use in our template. And this is the section of tabs, and you can see we have a main block that is tabs, and we have three tabs item. And this is the preview of this tab, and you can see we have three items, and this is the description, and this is the media item. And when if I preview this template and go to the tab, then I can show you how it actually works. And yeah, this is the tab, and you can see we have the items. This is the heading and some description, and also we have some option for the icon. And then on the right side, we have the option to add media like images and videos. And this is the tabs. This is the main tab, and this is the sub items of the tabs. This will not work unless you add the tabs. Also, the tabs will not show anything unless you add the child item, the tab item. If I make this block hidden, then you can see nothing is showing. So this is how these things is actually works. And if I hide an item, you can see now we have two items. And if I want to reorder the items, reorder the tab items, just drag and drop, and it will be change its way how it actually works. Now I'm going to make this one unhide again and show you the things that is available in the tabs. Okay, so on the tabs, we have a default Kajabi column options and a background option that is available all Kajabi blocks on our template. Now, going back to the tab items, and on the tab items, you can see we have an option to upload the icon, and this is the title that is showing on the tab heading, and then the description. And this is the description, and under this description, we have the media option like upload an image, or you can use video. To use the video, you need to make this checkmarks available. Also, we have some option to autoplay the video, but this is not recommended to use as it might be some annoying for the user. Also, we have the video player color options that is available here. So this is the option that is available for all our tabs and very easy to use. And you need to remember that on a section you can only use one tabs with on tabs block. And if you want to add multiple tabs on a single section, that is not possible, because if I duplicate these tabs, you can see it will be just a clone of the actual of the other tabs. So this is um, you need to remember that you can use only one tabs on a section. So that's it for the tabs, and thank you for watching. See you on the next video.